Welcome to another episode of Manitowoc Garage. Remember, always refer to the crane's safety and operation manuals before operating the crane. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Gen 3 or the black button display used on some national cranes. You will be able to find these Gen 3 displays on NBT 30H-2s and the NBT and NTC 50, 55, and 60s L and XL models. So we're going to go through the setup of the newest RCL screen on national cranes, the Generation 3, or also known as the black button display. After powering up the RCL, this screen is going to appear. Select the gear icon to initiate the crane setup. Make sure it is highlighted in blue and press the corresponding button for the check mark. So first we need to select either boom mode with option number 1 or basket mode with option number 2. In this example we have chosen boom mode, so then we need to select either main boom using option number 1 or using the jib with option number 2. The selection for main boom has been made. At this point, make the selection for main boom with no jib stowed, with jib stowed, or with jib erected. Next, counterweight selection is going to need to be made. Options in this screen are going to be determined based on crane model. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the counterweight options. On this model we have 3 selections to choose from: no counterweight, single slab, or 2 slabs. Selections will be indicated by being highlighted in blue. When correct choices have been made for the crane configuration, push the black button corresponding to the check mark. Outrigger selection is next. Again, highlighted in blue, we have choices of 100%, 50%, or 0% outriggers. We're going to use the up and down arrows to scroll through outrigger options. If an outrigger selection is made that does not match what the outrigger monitoring system sees, then the check mark will be shown in red. The check mark can still be selected, but you will get this icon on the setup and confirmation screen main screen. When you've decided on an outrigger configuration, use the black button for the check mark. Winch selection is next. If equipped with more than one hoist, choose which winch to be monitored by the RCL. In this example, the rear winch is selected. Next, parts of line. Parts of line can be changed using the up and down buttons. After parts are selected, use the button under the check mark to confirm. The last screen in setup is the confirmation screen. You will see parts of line and crane configuration illustrated. At this point, use either the back button to make further changes or check mark to confirm the choices made. On the main screen, instead of going through the entire setup again, we can use the pound hook icon. This will allow us to change just the parts of line by using the up and down arrow buttons. Once the new selection has been made, push the button for the check mark. When the setup is complete, the main screen will show operating mode, utilization percentage, actual weight, max weight, parts of line, tip height, boom length, boom angle, radius, counterweight configuration, winch being monitored, and icon showing winch activation status. Currently neither winch is on. Using the switches on the armrest, the winches will turn on and these icons will turn green. Thanks for tuning in to Manitowoc Garage. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for future videos.